Windows 7 gadgets and features. Clipboard Manager, Location Aware Printing, Windows Easy Transfer. What are they and what are they used for? I'm Steve Jenkins and I'll be discussing this gadget and these two features with you all this morning. Clipboard Manager. The Clipboard Manager allows users to copy text and graphical items from documents or programs and paste them into another Office document. For example, you can copy text from an email and images from a website and paste them both in the same document. The Clipboard Manager was created by Jan Zeman, born in Czech Republic and works as a software developer engineer in Denmark. Clipboard Manager allows you to reuse previous clipboard contents. It also allows you to build a customized collection of often pasted contents. Clipboard history can store up to 999 clipboard contents. Any activity stored can be accessed through the clipboard history. Clipboard Manager is equipped with something that we call timestamps. Timestamps enable users to mark text with current date and time in any format preferred. Any content that is copied and pasted on the computer is automatically saved in Clipboard Manager history for later reference. This is a gadget that's useful to those that find themselves repetitively using copy and paste for the same material. Clipboard Manager runs in the Windows sidebar and allows you to manage your clips from the sidebar itself. Advantage over Clipboard is that the clipboard only stores one item at a time, which is cleared every time your computer restarts. One Windows 7 feature that I will be discussing is Location Aware Printing. Whenever you print, Windows 7 remembers which network and printer you're using. The next time you return to that spot, Windows automatically switches the default printer to the one used in that network. This is what we call Location Aware Printing. This feature keeps you from routinely switching default printers when you go from home, work, or school. It allows users to configure multiple default printers based on their location. Location-aware printing is not available for all editions of Windows 7. It's only available for Professional, Ultimate, and Enterprise editions. It's used on laptops or portable devices that operate by battery. It takes away the challenge of mobile users managing to connect to a printer at multiple sites. To use location-aware printing, set a printer as your default, making it the default printer in the network that you're currently connected to. Then set Windows to change the default printer according to where you are. To manage location-aware printing, click Start and then Devices and Printers. Click on the desired printer and then click on Manage Default Printers on the toolbar. Now click on the option that says Change my default printer when I change networks. In the Select Network list, click on the desired network for the default printer. In the Select the Printer list, click the printer to be used as default in the chosen network. Now all you have to do is just click Add. These steps will need to be taken as often as necessary to manage location-aware printing. Location-aware printing is convenient for users that use their mobile PCs on different networks for professional and personal uses that don't want the hassle of toggling back and forward between printer options in different networks. This brings us to Windows Easy Transfer, which is the second Windows 7 feature that I will be discussing. Windows Easy Transfer is a file transfer program that can only be accessed through the administrator account. It comes bundled with Windows 7, and when run, it scans the computer for data and settings that can be transferred to the new computer. It's used when users are switching to new PCs and files need to be transferred. Also used when upgrading to Windows 7. Windows Easy Transfer is redesigned in Windows 7 to fix problems associated with earlier versions, such as transfers getting hung up without notice whenever files did not migrate. Windows Easy Transfer includes a file explorer to allow users to choose exactly what files are to be copied to the new PC. Some transferable files include users' accounts, documents, music, pictures, email, internet favorites, videos, and many more. It's fairly easy to use because it's wizard driven. So all you have to do is answer a few questions and make sure all your data to be moved is selected properly. When the transfer is completed, Windows will tell you what files were transferred, programs you might want to install on your new computer, as well as links available to download suggested programs. Ways to transfer files using Windows Easy Transfer. There's 3 ways. One is an easy transfer cable. This is a high-speed USB cable that costs between $15 and $20 depending on where you get it from. An easy transfer cable connects one Windows computer to another directly through USB 2.0 connection. This cable supports data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second. Another way to use Windows Easy Transfer is to transfer files from one computer to another using a network. You can also use an extended hard disk or a USB flash drive. This method would need to be used when Windows Easy Transfer is your option for upgrading to Windows 7. You would also need to create an easy transfer file. These are the 2 easiest methods for using Windows Easy Transfer. This brings us to the end of my presentation. Clipboard Manager is a helpful gadget for those users that do a lot of copy and pasting and often refer to the PC's clipboard. Location-aware printing would be convenient for the home, public, and work network user that finds themselves having to print often in different networks from different printers. Windows Easy Transfer will be great for anyone with access to the computer's administrator account and needs to transfer files from PC to PC or perform an upgrade to Windows 7. Questions? Anyone?